Imphal West DC Mayang Lambam Rajkumar asserted that door-to-door physical hearings for the upcoming Special Intensive Revision SIR will be launched in the coming days. Addressing the media at Imphal West DC office at Lumphal, he stated that booth-level officers, BLOs, will visit households and will work under the direction of election returning officers, EROs. DC Rajkumar appealed to the public to assist officials in correcting errors in the voter list, stating that the updated electoral roll for the district will be published on September 6. The district currently has 3,90,000 registered voters, out of which around 17,000 names have been removed from the roll. The reasons include unverified entries, relocation, death, and other grounds. The DC advised local club representatives who attended the briefing to track BLO visit schedules for their respective polling stations. He added that sub-deputy collectors, AGCs, and team members are helping internally displaced persons affected by the ongoing crisis to submit forms online and offline. Remaining pending cases will be reviewed soon. DC Rajkumar urged residents to verify their own names and family details in the electoral roll. He advised voters to visit the CEO website to make any needed corrections.
Draft form give us in here Masani Yauzer Galavani Maduda Kurumzada Galavia Aduga Yang Bada Kazik Haitavogi Port Labor Taragadi concerned below the contact of you Aduga Yaura to confirm to you Madu Yangaga Laiba Auguski Tarik Marie Pobugi Manunda Aigi Aswoi Babu Oigara Chitananda Babu Oigara claims and objections key addition की OBI, deletion की OBI, correction की OBI, shifting की OBI, appropriate form to BLO ताना रहे हरगा अगस्त की तारीख मरी मतम याम न लेकर बनी को अगस्त की तारीख मरी की ममांग दा मधु समित तौर अदुगा समित तौर मतुंग दुदा कोई स्क्रूटिनी तौर ना मखाता स्टेप पैखल तनी अदना